kindergarten, welcome back to your Google Classroom. Today I'm so excited because we're working on the last page of our research project all about cows. Before watching the video, you would have seen that our slides were talking about how many legs a cow has and the different ways we can try and represent those numbers. Represent, boys and girls, just means a different way to show. When I looked at the cow picture, I knew right away in my brain that a cow has 4 legs. But then I also wanted to count and check, because it's okay to count and check too. And I counted them like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And I knew a cow has 4 legs. Then I had to think about the different ways that I wanted to show the number 4. I remember in the video, they said we could show the number 4 by writing the number. They said we could show the number 4 with tally marks or pictures or dots or dominoes. And that's what I want to do for this last page of our research project, is show lots of different ways that I can write or make the number 4. Let's get started. Here's my page. The first thing that I did was I wrote the number 3 down at the bottom. Then I drew my picture of my cow. Now I remembered that they said we could show the number 4 by writing the number. So I went along the bottom and I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4. And I circled the number 4 to show that that was how many the cow had. Now when you look at your picture, up at the top, you'll notice this. Does anybody remember what that is? That is our 10 frame. You can show the number 4 in the 10 frame, and you can show the number 4 different ways. Maybe if you were going to make circles, you would want to show the number 4 like this. 4 circles up at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. But maybe you wanted to be a little tricky, and you wanted to show 3 up at the top and 1 down at the bottom. Is that still 4? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still 4. Maybe you thought a different way you could show the number 4 was to take another one off the top and put another one at the bottom like that. Is that still the number 4? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still 4. I think when I show the number 4, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 up at the top and 1 down at the bottom. So now in my 10 frame, I have 3 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And I could even show the number 4 by making a math sentence with that. I could go 3 plus 1 equals 4, like that. Okay, now I have the number 4. I have my 10 frame. I have a little math sentence. What else could I do? Maybe I want to show the number 4 using pictures. Maybe I'll use flowers. I'm going to go and make this middle of my flower. I'm going to make the petals. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 4 pictures to show the number 4. What else could I do? Maybe I'll make tally marks. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So I have number, the 10 frame, a math sentence, a picture. Maybe I'll try to do it one more way. I think I'll use my fingers because I count with them all the time. I could make 4 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to show that my thumb is tucked down like this. Put it over like this. I could even show it a different way with my fingers. Maybe I want to have 2 fingers and then 2 more fingers like this. Because I remember we learned that 2 plus 2 more makes 4. After you've shown different ways that you can make the number 4, down on our line, we want to write about how many legs a cow has. We want to write, a cow has 4 legs. We've been practicing writing a lot of those words, so we're going to try our best to write it like we did when we were practicing before. I'm going to make the letter A because A says and is big because it's at the start of our sentence. A cow. That's a new word. I'm going to make a finger space. I remember how to write the word cow. I need the letter C, and then I need those 2 letters that say ow, the O and the W. A cow has. I'm going to make a finger space, and I'm going to write the word has. H, H, A, has. Sounds like the letter Z. A cow has 4. I'm going to make the number 4. I don't know if I have enough room here, so I'm going to go down to the next line, and I'm going to write that word legs. A cow has 4 legs. Ooh. So letter L, That sounds like elephant. I think it's the letter E. Leg. The letter G. A cow has four leg. That doesn't make sense. It's 4 legs. I have to add the letter S. A cow has 4 legs. When I'm all done, I'm going to make a little like that to show that I'm all done. I can even go and color those new details that I have put on my picture to make sure it looks really beautiful in my project. Boys and girls, when you're all done making your research project, remember we want to put them together to make it like a book or a story. You can send Mrs. Beaton a picture of your book when it's all done, and if somebody is at home to help you, I would love to see a video of you reading your research project either to the teacher or maybe somebody else that's at home. I'm so excited to see your projects when they're all done, boys and girls. I hope you had fun. Bye.